Hey there, ready to build your own website? It's easier than you might think. Whether you're dreaming of a personal portfolio, a blog, or a professional business website, building your online presence is a fantastic way to connect with the world. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of creating a business website, similar to the sleek and professional look of the Starbucks website. We'll break it down into 9 simple steps so you can follow along easily. By the end of this video, you'll have your own website up and running. So grab your favorite beverage, get comfortable, and let's get started. Step 1. Pick the best website platform. The first step in creating a website is choosing the right platform. There are many website building tools out there. Some are content management systems like WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal. Others are hosted site builders like Wix, Squarespace, and Webflow. Among them, WordPress is the most popular and powerful, powering over 43% of all websites. That's why we'll be using it in this tutorial. The best part? WordPress is a free, open source platform. You can use it at no cost, modify it as needed, and most importantly, you own all the content you create. With a massive global community of developers and users, WordPress offers the most user-friendly and powerful tools for building a website. Plus, you get access to over 12,000 themes for design and over 59,000 plugins for added functionality. Ready to see WordPress in action? Let's dive in and start creating your website. Step 2. Get a domain name and web hosting. Now that we have picked our website platform, the next step is getting a domain name and a web hosting account. A domain name is the unique address people will use to find your website, like how www.sitesaga.com is for us. It's your online identity. Make sure your domain name is unique, reflects your site's purpose, and is easy to spell, pronounce, and remember. For more tips on choosing a domain, check out our detailed guide on sitesaga.com. Next, we need web hosting. This is where your website lives on the internet. Hosting provides the storage and technology needed to make your website visible online. Without hosting, your website can't be published. When choosing a hosting provider, look for key features such as security, performance, storage, and good customer support. You can find more tips on our blog. But where to buy your domain and hosting? There are many options for buying a domain and hosting. Companies like Namecheap, GoDaddy, and Domain.com are great for domains, while Hostinger, Bluehost, and Kingstar are popular for hosting. Some platforms offer both services together and even include a free domain when you purchase an annual hosting plan, making it easier for beginners. We recommend Hostinger's annual plan, which comes with a free domain. Moving on to purchasing hosting from Hostinger. Hostinger offers affordable and beginner-friendly WordPress hosting with a free domain. The offer price of its basic plan for first-time hosting purchases is normally $2.99 per month, but there is an additional discount for Black Friday right now, so the cost is $2.49 per month. Here's how to purchase it. First, go to Hostinger's website, click on WordPress, and then on Manage WordPress. There you'll see several hosting plans. Here, let's pick the premium plan by clicking Choose Plan. Now, choose your payment period anywhere from 1 to 48 months and click Continue. For a free domain, you should pick an annual plan of 12 months or above. Next, create your account using your email or login with Google. Then, enter your billing address and press Continue. Lastly, select your payment method, either credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, or CoinGate, and complete the purchase. And that's it. You'll now have your domain and hosting. So stay tuned for the next step. Step 3. Set up your hosting account and install WordPress. Setting up your hosting account and installing WordPress might vary slightly depending on your hosting provider, but the process is usually very easy and similar across the board. Once your hosting order is approved, keep an eye on your inbox. You'll get an email with your login details. Now, log into your Hostinger account by clicking the Login button on its website, entering your login details, and verifying your email. Next, it's time to claim your domain. In your Hostinger dashboard, click Claim Domain in the Home menu. You can find an available domain and choose your preferred extension for the free domain that comes with your hosting plan. Once you have claimed your domain, it's time to set up your WordPress site. In the same Account Actions section, click Setup. Then, go to Websites and press Add Website. From the options provided, choose WordPress as your website builder. Now you'll create your WordPress account by choosing a language, entering your email, and setting a strong password. After that, choose your website niche. Here, we'll go with business and services. Next, you'll find a bunch of template options, but let's go with Build from scratch. Following that, pick a theme to start building your site and select any recommended plugins you want to add. Next, you'll need to select the domain you want to use for your WordPress site. This can be the domain you just claimed or an existing domain that you have already purchased. That's all. Your website will be configured accordingly in just a few seconds. Now that WordPress is installed, the WordPress dashboard may automatically open. Otherwise, log into your WordPress dashboard. You can access this from the website's menu on your hosting control panel by clicking WordPress Admin. Step 4. Choose a theme and customize your site design. Now that your WordPress site is up and running, it's time to choose a theme to bring your website's design to life. A WordPress theme shapes the overall look and feel of your website, acting like a skeleton that supports your content. For this tutorial, we are going to use the Kadence theme, a versatile and highly customizable theme that works well for blogs, business sites, e-commerce stores, and more. Kadence is a freemium theme, meaning it has both free and premium versions, so let's start its installation process. To install the free Kadence theme, just go to Appearance and then Themes. There, click the Add New Theme button. Now, search for Kadence and once you find it, click the Install button. Next, press the Activate button. If you are looking to install a premium theme, then you'll need to use the upload method. So let's walk through the process of purchasing Kadence Pro. First, head over to the Kadence theme website and navigate to the Pro section. Here, you'll find different pricing options, and for this tutorial, we'll choose the full bundle by clicking Get the Full Bundle. On the checkout page, either log into your existing Kadence account or create a new one. Then enter your billing and payment details and hit Place Order to complete your purchase. Once your purchase is complete, navigate to the Accounts section and head to Downloads and License. Download the necessary files for Kadence Theme Pro and Kadence Blocks Pro. You'll also need to grab the product license keys and save them for later use. One thing you must know, Kadence Theme Pro extends the power of the free Kadence theme and is available as a plugin. So you need the free Kadence theme installed on your WordPress dashboard. Only after that, Kadence Theme Pro needs to be installed as a plugin. Now head back to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Plugins and then Add New Plugin. There, click the Upload Plugin button and then choose File. Now upload the downloaded file and hit Install Now. Next, press the Activate Plugin button. But you'll see a notice asking you to enter your license key. Click the link, paste your license key, then activate. Now that you have Kadence Theme Pro installed, it's time to personalize your website by importing an AI-generated pre-designed template. To start, click the Install AI Starter Templates button. After that, choose the Activate Kadence AI Starter Template option. Now you'll find two options, and that is to log in and register a Kadence account. Here, log in with your Kadence account that you may have during the purchase of the premium version. Otherwise, register an account first and then log in. Next, click the Connect button to connect your website with Kadence. After that, you must enter your business details so that Kadence AI can showcase the best templates for your website. So proceed by clicking the Next button. First, select your website's language and enter your business information like this. Then click Next. Following that, add details about your business. This will help Kadence AI to generate content for various sections like the About page. Moreover, click the Improve with AI option to rewrite more impressive content. Then press Next. After that, add some keywords related to your business or use the ones that are suggested by Kadence. Also choose a tone for your website content among the given options. Then after that, hit Next. Moving forward, you get to select the different goals of your website. So think carefully and choose the ones that your website is built for. Once you do that, hit Next. With that, Kadence AI generates several featured images and background images according to the details and preferences that you give. You can use them or edit the collection with your own images too. Lastly, press the Generate Base Content option. In a moment, you will receive multiple AI-generated templates suited for the website of your business. Once you make a choice, click on the template. Here, we'll go with the icon template. Now, Kadence allows you to customize the template's color scheme and fonts in the Style section. Once you have made your selections based on your brand, click Next. Similarly, it also lets you configure the content. Here, you can choose the pages you want for your website and adjust some additional settings. Further, the Plugins section lets you install a few required plugins. Once that's done, click Finish and Launch, followed by Start Import. Congrats! From here, you can go back to your dashboard and start customizing your site even further. Now, if you are using the Kadence theme, then you'll have access to Kadence blocks, an advanced plugin that allows you to create beautiful page layouts easily. The free Kadence blocks plugin may have automatically been installed in your website as one of the recommendations of your chosen template. But some templates require the premium Kadence blocks pro plugin too. So if it's essential, install and activate that too. Customizing your WordPress site is one of the most exciting parts of building your website. With WordPress, you have complete control over the look and feel of your website. To start customizing, head to your WordPress dashboard and click on Appearance and then Customize. The first thing you'll want to do is upload your site logo. So click on Header, then select Logo. From here, you can upload your logo. Moreover, you can insert the site title and tagline. Also, you can add a site icon, which will display in the Browser tab. Explore different settings, try new designs, and see what works best for your website. Lastly, hit the Publish button. Next, let's set up your homepage. Just open the homepage created by Kadence AI through the Edit Homepage option and start its customization on the page editor. Just remove the unwanted sections, edit the required sections such as the addition of new text and images, and add new sections as you prefer. In addition, customize using the General, Style, and Advanced settings as needed. Don't forget to save your changes by clicking Save. Amazingly, your website is now looking professional like the Starbucks website. Confused about creating a page or post? Learn that in detail next. Step 5. Start adding content to your website. There are two main types of content in WordPress: pages and posts. Pages are ideal for static content like your About Us, Contact, or Home pages. Posts, on the other hand, are used for dynamic content like blog articles or news updates that are regularly updated. Let's walk through how to create both. First, let's create a page. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Pages and then click Add New. Start by adding a title, let's say About Us. Then you can start writing or choose different blocks for adding text, images, galleries, buttons, and more. Once you're happy with your page, click the Publish button at the top right and your new page will be live. Now, let's move on to creating a post. From your dashboard, go to Post and then click Add New. Start by adding your post title, then insert your content using various blocks. You can add text, images, categories, and a featured image too. Once your post is ready, simply click Publish and then it will be available on your blog, ready for your readers. Next, let's add a navigation menu to help your visitors find their way around your website. To do this, go to Appearance and then Menus in your WordPress dashboard. First, create a new menu by naming it something like Primary Navigation and setting the display location to Primary. After creating your menu, select the pages you want to add and click Add to Menu. Then drag and drop the menu items into the order you want them to appear. Don't forget to save your changes by clicking the Save Menu button. Want to add a footer menu too? Simply follow the same steps, but this time select footer as the display location. For more advanced customizations, such as adjusting the header or the footer, go to Appearance and then Customize. Open Header to edit your site's header like this. Similarly, go to Footer if you want to adjust your footer layout. You can also add social media icons, rearrange your menu, and make sure everything aligns properly. That's it. With your content added and menus set up, your website is now starting to take shape. So stay tuned. Step 6. Configure your WordPress site settings. Following that, it's time to configure your WordPress site settings to ensure everything runs smoothly. You can find all the necessary options under the Settings menu in your WordPress dashboard. First, let's start with the General settings. From the Settings menu, go to General section. You can edit your site title, tagline, and view your website URL. Once you are done, click Save Changes. Next, we recommend disabling search engine visibility while your website is under construction. To do this, go to Settings and then Reading. There, check the box next to Search Engine Visibility. Later on, remember to uncheck this box. Now, to set an SEO-friendly permalink structure, go to Settings and then Permalinks. There, select Post Name. Then, click Save Changes to apply. Another crucial thing is to adjust the comments. So go to Settings and then Discussion. There, require commenters to fill out their name and email. You can choose to manually approve comments and even set limits on how many links a comment can contain to reduce spam. Once you have configured the essential settings, your WordPress site will be ready to offer a smoother and more user-friendly experience. Step 7. Add essential plugins and tools. Moving forward, you can add extra features to your website to enhance its functionality. WordPress makes this incredibly easy with plugins, which are like mini apps you can install to add specific features to your website. First, let's talk about some must-have plugins that we recommend for every WordPress website. They are WordFence for securing your website with advanced protection features, Rank Math for optimizing your website for search engines, Updraft Plus for regularly backing up your website and restoring it when needed, Akismet Anti-Spam for blocking spam in your comments section, WP Rocket for website caching to improve speed, NovaShare for adding social sharing buttons, WP Forms for creating various types of forms. So how do you install plugins? Start by going to plugins and then add new plugin. Then browse the plugin directory or search for a specific plugin by name. For this video, let's go ahead and search for WordFence Security. Once you find it, click Install Now and then Activate. As soon as the plugin gets installed, you are required to get a license. So click the Get Your WordFence License button. This action redirects you to its website where you'll find multiple options to get the license. Here, let's go with the WordFence free plan by clicking Get a Free License. Following that, a pop-up opens mentioning the 30-day delay on firewall rules and malware signatures when going with the free license. So we'll click I'm OK, waiting 30 days for protection from new threats. Next, enter your email, allow the security and vulnerability alerts, agree to the license terms, and press the register button. After that, you'll receive an email with the license key. So copy that and move back to your WordPress dashboard. There, click the Install an Existing License option. Moving forward, enter your email address and the license key. Once you choose to accept the alerts, click Install License. After the installation, WordFence Security will become active on your website. So let's go back to the dashboard and go through its basic configuration process real quick. For that, first move to WordFence and then Firewall. This firewall contains the newest firewall rules through which your website becomes safe from malicious IP addresses. So click All Firewall options. Now on the web application firewall status, choose the Enabled and Protecting option after a week of WordFence installation so that the firewall actively protects your website by blocking unknown requests. In addition, ensure that all the features including brute force protection and rate limiting are used. You can adjust the default values if you want. For example, let's configure the brute force protection settings. Here we recommend to decrease the number of login failures for lockout and decrease the number of forget password attempts for lockout. Once you have made the changes, hit Save Changes. Similarly, let's check out the login security settings. This function provides two-factor authentication to your website through certain authenticator apps. On the Settings tab, let's configure the 2FA options, such as changing if the given user roles will require 2FA compulsorily, optionally, or not at all. Once you have made the changes, click Save. If you want a more detailed guide or require installing a premium plugin, then you can check out our guide on how to install a plugin. Moreover, you can also find separate guides on how to set up and use the other mentioned plugins like Rank Math, Akismet, Updraft Plus, etc. For that, check out our description box below for direct links. Step 8. Check everything and publish your website. You are almost ready to launch your website, but wait. Before you hit publish, it's essential to give everything a final check to ensure everything runs smoothly and provides an excellent experience for your visitors. First, start by proofreading all the content on your website using tools like Grammarly. Next, double-check your WordPress settings. Ensure the Discourage search engines from indexing this site option is unchecked in the reading setting. Use tools like the Broken Link Checker to test, find, and fix links that don't work on your website. TinyPNG or plugins like Smush can be used to reduce image sizes without sacrificing quality. Test your website speed using tools like PageSpeed Insights, GTmetrix, or Pingdom. Also, test if your website is responsive and works on major browsers. For example, you can use Browsera to check the browser compatibility of your website. Step 9. Continue improving and marketing your website. Congratulations! Your website is live, but your work does not stop here. You'll need to keep improving and promoting it. Let's go over some key steps to take. Improve your content regularly by adding new and updating older blogs. Keep monitoring your website's security with your security plugin. Consider adding extra features like live chat or a forum. Expand your reach by making your website multilingual with plugins. Continue optimizing your URLs, keywords, and content structure. Also, engage in social media marketing and email marketing. That's it. You have successfully built your website from scratch. Congratulations on reaching this milestone. Still have questions or need help along the way? Don't hesitate to drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to share it with your friends or colleagues. Hit that like button and subscribe to Site Saga.